Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start on damp, warm hair to open the cuticle. That helps conditioner absorb. Once wet, gently squeeze out excess water so the product isn't diluted. Take 1-2 pumps for short hair or 3-4 for long or thick hair and emulsify in your palms. Apply mid-lengths to ends first because roots need less product. Make sure to avoid scalp-heavy application. That prevents buildup. Move straight into detangling, while the conditioner sits to maximize smoothing benefits. You should work the conditioner through with a wide-tooth comb or your fingers so every strand is coated. This reduces breakage. Once done, set a timer, 2-3 minutes for everyday conditioning, 4-5 minutes for intensive repair. While it sits, gently massage lengths to improve penetration. Make sure to watch the water temperature. Rinse with cool to lukewarm water to help close the cuticle and lock in shine. If you have product buildup, repeat only after clarifying shampoo. You finish by patting hair dry with a microfiber towel or cotton tee to avoid frizz and breakage. Once damp, apply a small amount of leave-in or heat protectant before styling. Make sure to air dry or use low heat when possible to preserve moisture balance. If hair feels heavy or greasy afterward, reduce the amount next time or rinse longer with lukewarm water. If dryness persists, increase leave-on time to 5 minutes and use once to twice weekly for repair.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.